In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a professional profile picture with Fotor's Profile Pic Maker. We're going to keep this simple and clear so you can follow along in real time. Start by opening your browser and going to Fotor.com. On the home page, click the Log In button. When prompted, choose your account to continue. Once you're in, you'll land on your dashboard. This is your hub for all Fotor tools and projects. From here, look for the search bar at the top of the dashboard. Click it and type Profile Pic Maker, then open the tool that appears. This is the feature designed specifically to turn a regular photo into a polished profile image using ready-made styles and templates. Inside the Profile Pic Maker, you'll be asked to add a photo. You can either click to select a picture from your computer or simply drag and drop one into the window. For the best result, choose a clear, well-lit headshot where your face is centered and in focus. Good lighting helps the tool capture your features accurately, and a simple background makes the styles look cleaner and more professional. After your photo loads, it's time to explore the available styles. You'll see a range of templates that change the background, lighting, and overall look of your profile picture. Scroll through and pick a style that matches your personality or the platform you're creating this for. For something business-ready, go with clean, neutral options. For creative or social use, try bolder colors or graphic backgrounds. Don't worry if you're unsure at first. You can preview different styles and switch until one feels right. When you select a style, the tool may take a moment to process your image. That's normal. It's applying the template to your photo, refining edges, and adjusting the background. If it takes a little while to load, just give it a bit of time and avoid clicking away. Patience here helps the tool finish cleanly. Once the processing finishes, your styled profile picture will appear on screen. At this point, you're all set. You've logged in, found the Profile Pic Maker, uploaded your image, chosen a style you like, and waited for it to render. If you want to try a different look, simply pick another template and let it process again until you're happy with the result. That's it. Quick, straightforward, and effective. Follow these steps whenever you need a fresh, polished profile picture that stands out.